Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be sharing 10 super cute and super easy designs that are perfect for beginners to nail art. You can mix and match a few, use one of these designs as an accent nail, or you could wear all 10. Please support our channel by hitting that like button if you love our ultimate guide videos. The first design reminds me of picnics in the summertime. It's this adorable cherry print design. For the base color, you're going to need to paint your nails with a sky blue nail polish. Once that's dried, go in with a big dotting tool like this one and a cherry red nail polish. Dip your dotting tool into the polish and then add sets of 2 dots all over your nail. Fill up your nail with the cherries, but make sure to leave space above them so you can add the stems. You can add the stems by using a bright green nail polish and a small thin nail art brush. Carefully draw a line from each cherry and meet the 2 lines above the cherries. You can keep your hands rested on the table while you do this if you're experiencing shaking in your hands while you're trying to paint. This will help to stabilize them. Once you finish the stems, you can add highlighting to the cherries to really make them come to life. To do this, just dip your little nail art brush into white nail polish and then add a small little dot to each of the cherries. You could also use a toothpick to do this if you don't own a nail art brush. And that's it! The next design is a super quick and easy cheetah print design. I love how it's minimalistic with the pattern only around the cuticle and down one side of the nail. Begin by painting your nail yellow, and once that's dry, you'll need a toothpick and some black polish. Dip your toothpick into the black and then draw some little C shapes or brackets. Don't press too hard into your base color while you do this. You just want to lightly stipple the polish onto your nail. Try to add a few big spots, and then add in some smaller ones. To finish off the design, you need to add in some little dots and empty spaces like so. This design would look awesome as an accent nail on a plain colored manicure. And there you go! Up next is this beautiful monarch butterfly wing design. For the base color, we chose this gorgeous sparkling purple nail polish. Once that's dry, dip a small nail art brush into black polish, and then add 5 dots in a curved line on your nail like this. Then connect the dots with curved lines. Take your time while you do this, and try to make all of the curves look similar. Then add a short curved line up near your cuticle. Draw diagonal lines coming down from the curve to meet with the dots that you created in the beginning. Try your best to keep these as straight as possible. Then take your nail art brush and add in 2 little curved lines like so. You can now fill in everything beneath the curved lines with black polish. Go ahead and use a nail art brush or a toothpick for this. To finish this design, you'll need a small dotting tool or a toothpick dipped into white nail polish. Add some little dots over the black tip to really make this design look like a monarch butterfly wing. If you'd like a more classic look, you could always go with a bright orange nail polish for your base color. All done! The next nail art design is a gorgeous floral pattern. To begin this design, we're going to be starting off with an off-white base. Then you will need 3 colors that go well together for the flowers. We're using a light pink, an orange, and a fuchsia. Use a small nail art brush to create round petals for each flower. To really get that nice round dot with a brush, try moving the brush around in a circular motion. Add 5 dots per flower. Also, we'd love to hear which of these 10 nail art designs is your favorite, so let us know down in the comments. After you finish the first set of flowers, you can go in with the remaining 2 colors to fill in the entire nail. Try not to overlap the flowers, but have them almost touching for the best result. To finish the flowers, you're going to need to add centers to them. We're going to do so with a dotting tool and a sparkly gold nail polish. The glitter in this polish will look great in the middle of each flower and add some sparkle and shine. And now your pretty floral design is finished. The 5th design, which is the last nail art design on this hand, is an easy little kitten. To paint this cute cat, you will first need a background color. We went with this powder blue nail polish. Then, using a very light pink polish, go in with a regular nail polish bottle's brush to add in its head. Go for a half circle on the tip of your nail. For the ears, you can use a small paintbrush to add a triangle on each side of the cat's head. Once you've finished that, you can use a bright pink nail polish to add in the centers of the cat's ears. I love this color, it's so cute. For the eyes, you can dip a small dotting tool into a dark gray polish and then just pop on a couple little dots. Finish the kitten with a nose. You can do this by using the bright pink polish again and a little paintbrush. All done! Up next is an ombre dotacure. For this design, start with a nude nail polish as your base color. Once it's dried, choose 3 colors you'd like to use for the ombre of dots. Begin with your first color and add some dots a third of the way down your nail. Alternate between big dots and slightly smaller dots. Then go in with your next color. Allow 1 or 2 dots from this color to mix in with the ones from your last color for the best gradient effect. Then finish off with your last color and bring the dots right up to the tip of your nail. It looks best if you add some half dots to the very tip so it looks like the design continues on. The next design is this Aztec-inspired print that is abstract and works well for shaky hands. Begin by painting your nail with a light orange polish. Once dried, take a sparkly red polish and paint a big X across your nail with a small nail art brush. Create this X by drawing little strokes like so. It's okay if it's a little messy. That's the beauty of this design. Next, draw open triangles inside all 4 sections that the X made. Make sure to leave a space between these and the X. Again, use small strokes to create these triangles. Then finish off the design with solid little triangles like so. And now your design is complete. Next up, we have this easy bubble chain design. For your base color, go with a solid white nail polish. For the chain, we're going to be using a bubblegum pink nail polish. How cute was that bottle? Create diagonal lines of big dots going across your nail by using a big dotting tool. Make sure that your dots on the sides of your nail go all the way to the edge. This can be tricky, so don't worry if you get any nail polish on your skin, because you can easily clean that up afterwards with a brush and acetone. Turn the dots into a chain by using a smaller dotting tool with white polish. Add in little white dots inside all of the big pink ones. And now you're finished! The 9th design is one of my favorites. It's an ombre color block design. Begin with a metallic silver nail polish as your base. Next, you will need some thin striping tape. Cut 2 pieces of this tape and apply it firmly over your dried base like so. Now it's time to color in each of the 3 sections. Choose your favorite color, we went with green, and apply the first light shade. Then for the middle, use a medium shade, so a shade darker than the first. Once you've applied both of these colors, quickly remove the striping tape between it so you'll be left with a clean line. Then work quickly and add in an even darker shade to the very tip of your nail. Immediately remove the last piece of striping tape before the polish is dry so you're left with a beautiful clean line to separate the colors. Clean up any excess polish that may have gotten on your skin by using a small angled brush dipped into nail polish remover. Perfect! The final design we have here today is this easy cuticle rhinestone nail art design. Begin with a blue nail polish for your base color. Once dried, you will need some rhinestones in different sizes. To adhere the rhinestones, you can use a clear polish as shown here, or nail glue for an even stronger hold. Apply a big rhinestone to the center of the nail near your cuticle. Then apply medium-sized rhinestones on each side of the biggest one. Finish off with 2 small rhinestones like so. And now you're all done! Finish off all of your nails with a fast-drying top coat. This will seal in your design and add a beautiful shine to your nails. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave a like to support our channel. We upload new videos every week, so make sure to subscribe by clicking here and check out more of our videos by clicking here or here. If you recreate any of these designs that you saw here today, be sure to tag us on social media. Also, make sure to check out Miri's personal nail channel. She's the one who painted the designs here today. The link will be in the description box below. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you next time!